Stop saying I don't know. Say I have no clue. I am not sure. I have no idea. Beats me. I can't say for sure. Stop saying let me know. Say keep me informed. Keep me posted. Keep me in the loop. Keep me notified. Keep me apprised. I am looking forward to your update. Stop saying I think. Say in my opinion, the way I see it, from my point of view. If you ask me, I would say that. Stop saying easy. Say it's a piece of cake. It's a breeze. It's not rocket science. I can do it in my sleep. At the press of a button. Stop saying it's very hot. Say it's scorchy. It's sweltering. It's boiling. It's blazing. It's roasting. It's sizzling. It's burning up. Stop saying how are you? Say what's up? How is it going? What are you up to? How is everything? How are things going? What's new? How is life? Stop saying I am fine, thank you. Say not bad. So far, so good. Absolutely wonderful. I have never been better, can't complain. Stop saying me too. Say same here. Likewise. I feel the same way. Ditto. That makes two of us. Stop saying I am tired. Say I am exhausted. I am whipped out. I am dragged. I am drained. I am burnt out. I am spent. I am knackered. Stop saying good morning. Say rise and shine. Good morning, good looking. Top of the morning to you. Hello, bright and early. Happy plus day of the week. Stop saying good night. Say sweet dreams. Sleep tight. Nighty night. Rest well. Bedtime for you. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Lights out. Off to dreamland. Stop saying bye. Say later. See ya. Catch you later. Take care. Peace out. See you around. Toodles. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.